It is not normal for our minds and bodies to procrastinate. Procrastination is a way that our bodies, our minds are telling us that there is something wrong, or that we need to slow down a bit. We're not naturally lazy. So just like with sneezing, allergens, or foreign bodies, our natural defense is to sneeze it out. Same with procrastination. Our mind or our body feels that we have already so much stress that we may become overwhelmed with it, like a signal that we are tired or we are not yet ready to do such things. The result is to procrastinate. Whenever you feel like you want to delay something, slow down, or to cancel something, I suggest that you take a time off, 5 minutes to 20 minutes break, and think on why don't you want to do that thing or that duty as of the moment. What is the reason? If you don't find the answer or the solution within those 5 minutes, then it is okay. It's okay to rest for a day, or if your situation permits you to rest for a week or more. Do it, because it's kind of overwhelming for me. So that's why I tend to push it down, set it aside on 3 days, and then it became 5 days. And then that's when it dawned to me that I'm overwhelmed and I am on the brink of burnout. So that's why my body is actually, and my mind is actually telling me to, slow down, put it aside for the meantime. It's okay. It's okay not to work. It's okay to rest. It's okay to take a leave for other people or other parts of the world that cannot rest or cannot take a day off from work because they need it to feed themselves, to feed their families. I do not mean to offend anyone, but you also deserve time to rest. Your body, your mind, your spirit also deserves some rest. So I also implore that if you can take a rest, even just for an hour, 1 hour. The essence of my video for today: if you feel like you're losing interest, or you want to set aside things, you want to take a leave, you want to take a rest, go for it. Take a rest, slow down. It's your body and your mind's way of saying that you need a rest. Our spirit. And reflect, because the second reason that procrastination has actually helped me become more productive, it was my soul's way of saying not the best path that I can attain the most happiness in. Because there are times that we think we already have things figured out and we go full throttle in it. Soul knows what we really want, what is really best for us, what will really bring out our best versions, and what would give us the most happiness. So if our soul knows that nope, this is not the path that we should be in, then it will give out signals. It will try to reach out to our conscious mind. 2 months ago, I had another procrastination period that lasted for like 2 weeks, and I actually turned down a few projects because it was the line of work that is best. And then I went full throttle on it for a few months. Then after those months, I realized that an opportunity came up that presented to me that I like to pursue my creative aspects more. That's when I understood, oh, that's the reason why I felt tired and I wanted to take a break, a long break from what was my job at that time. Turning down projects, I was not accepting projects, good projects, really good projects. I wanted to pursue my creative side. You really need to listen to your heart, to your soul, to your mind, and to your body. Recap: if you feel tired, if you feel lazy, procrastinating, uninterested, you want to set aside things, you want to delay things, number one, it's okay to take a break. It is okay to rest. It is okay to give yourself time to heal, to recover, to figure things out. Next step that you need to do is go deep. Ask yourself, why? Why are you undergoing that phase? Why are you tired? Why are you suddenly losing interest? Why do you delay these things? Why are you canceling things when before you were okay with doing that? So ask yourself why. Don't pressure for an answer, just rest and let things turn out naturally. Third step that I'm going to recommend. So the first is to take a rest. It's okay to take a rest. Second is ask yourself why. Why are you undergoing through this phase? And the third step would be to go deeper and ask yourself, is this really what I want? Is this really what would give me real utmost joy? Is this really what would give me peace of mind? Is this really what will give me the opportunity to become the best version of me? Is this really my soul's calling? Ask yourself those things. I promise, after that period of rest, after you follow those steps, you will have a clearer vision of what your new goal, if it's going to be a new goal or a reinforced vision of your goal. And then you will also have a clearer vision of what you want and what you don't want, so your limitations and boundaries. And then it will also give you a clearer vision of what your real strengths and weaknesses are. Those things will actually help you become a better version, become 10 times more what you were before. Procrastination is not a bad thing. It is a signal your body and your mind is giving you that tells you, hey, slow down. Take a moment. You need rest. You need to reflect. You need to think things more deeper. Okay? Bye for now.